Namaskar. Welcome to the tutorial on self-enrollment in a course on Moodle Portal. This tutorial illustrates steps for self-enrollment in a course on a Moodle LMS portal. This tutorial assumes you have valid user account in Moodle LMS portal. Moodle LMS portal with self-enrollment in a course enabled. You have enrollment key of the course and working knowledge of computer, mobile, or a tablet with internet connection. This tutorial is recorded with Moodle version 3.9 build 202000615 and free and light Moodle theme. Moodle site with higher or lower version of Moodle installation may have slightly different functions and options. Different Moodle theme may have different layout. Now, for enrollment in a course on a Moodle LMS portal, first we will open the portal. Here I have kept ready Moodle portal open. Now we have to log in with our user ID and password that we have created earlier. For logging in, we will click on the login button and we can log in here with user ID and password or with your email ID and password that you have supplied during the registration in the portal. After logging in, I come to the dashboard of the portal. Now I have to navigate to the course to which I want to enroll myself. Navigation to the course, we can go to the option course, then the course category, and then we will choose the course. Here, in this particular case, I am enrolling myself in a course for BA B.Ed, BSc B.Ed. The course name is Childhood and Growing Up. So I will click on the course. Now I will come to the course page. Here I can see the name of the course, short detail of the course, and the teacher of the course. Now for the self-enrollment, as a learner, we have to provide enrollment key which will be supplied by your course teacher. So here I will enter the enrollment key. And click on the Enroll Me button. After clicking on Enroll Me button, you will be successfully enrolled in the course and the message will be displayed on the screen. Now you are ready to use the different course modules. How to use the different course module, how to assess the resources, how to attempt for the test, and how to go through the different function of a Moodle LMS. We will see those things in the coming video. After successfully enrollment in a course, you will also get an email containing the details. For that, you have to go to your email ID and you will receive a mail like this, wherein the details of the course will be given. To know more about the e-learning portal initiative, please navigate the link shown on the screen. I, Gautam Kumar, with this tutorial signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a nice time.